Ready to add a touch of elegance to your home without breaking the bank? Let me show you how to make a stunning faux stone bowl that looks high-end but is super easy to create. Believe it or not, all I did, I bought 2 plastic bowls, one large one and one a little bit smaller. And what you want to do is place the smaller bowl inside the larger bowl, and I use a hot glue gun to help secure it. Now you notice there's going to be a gap between the 2 bowls. What I did just filled that gap in with, believe it or not, grocery bags, because you don't need that gap there, because it's going to be very hard to do what you need to do to create this bowl if there's a gap, because everything you put on the bowl, like the paint, the stucco patch, will fall in that gap. Now, once that gap is filled in, take some painter's tape, and you want to, just place it between the 2 bowls. So it creates like a layer there. So you can actually lay paint and stucco patch on top of that painter's tape without all of those different products seeping or dropping or dipping into the gap where the plastic bags are. So just take the painter's tape and apply it all the way across the top. Now don't worry about the painter tape, because it is going to be covered by your primer and the stucco patch that you'll eventually add. Also, the tape helps give the bowl texture, because remember, this is a faux stone bowl, so you want a lot of texture. The next is the fun part. I like this little spray paint gun thing. It really works. Helps you paint evenly, and it keeps your hands clean. So go ahead and prime the bowls. Now, you see that is actually stucco patch. All I did was use, believe it or not, just 3/4 of that small container. Now, when I applied it, it was pretty thick, and I did it on purpose, just kind of smattering it on, because what you're gonna do next, you're gonna take a nice brush, dip it in water, and then apply water across the top of the bowl or across the stucco patch, and it will actually start to thin it out, and then bam, it just smoothly goes over the entire bowl, and you still will have a lot of texture. See, watch. See, add a little water and look what happens. The stucco patch just kind of spreads so easily, it kind of melts away. Now, I try to apply it evenly, so I don't have areas of the bowl that are thicker than the other. So make sure you try to apply this as even as possible. See the nice texture that you get with the stucco patch. You also want to do this, of course, on the outside. See the water and the cup. Apply water to the stucco patch, and see how nicely it applies to the bowl. It's kind of thin, so you may have to do several coats, but it only took me really 1 coat, and I got what I wanted. Next, you're going to apply paint. I use acrylic paint to the stucco. You can choose whatever color you want. I wanted my bowl to be a little bit on the darker side, but this paint is very easy to find. You can find it in Michael's or any kind of craft store. And just apply your paint to the bowl after the stucco patch is dry, of course. Now this bowl turned out to be a lighter gray. I wanted a little bit darker, so I applied this glaze. Be careful when you apply a glaze, not to be too heavy-handed, because you can actually turn this bowl black. So just go ahead and apply a little glaze as you like to get the color that you want. See, when you apply too much, it's too dark, so you have to really thin that out. So next time I'll use a little bit of water to help. I just use a sponge brush, and then I went over with the regular brush. Then voila, here you have it. Here's the bowl. Isn't it beautiful? This is so easy to make. Give yourself 2 days so each layer will dry. Now, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow me on all my social media channels, particularly IG at Jeannie Jacobs. And the candles can be found at pivotalmomentsbyjj.com.